Hello, dear friends. If you are looking for a way to add a touch of elegance to sophistication to your home decor without breaking the bank, creating your own DIY chandelier is a great option. Not only is it a fun and creative project, but it also allows you to customize your candlelight to match your personal style and the existing decor in your home. To begin, you will need to gather your material. You can find a candlelier kit at most craft stores or online retailers. Alternately, you can use a variety of materials to create your own unique design. Some popular options include beads, crystals, wire, and old jewelry pieces. Once you have your material, you can start assembling your candelier. Begins by laying out your design on a flat surface and then start attaching your material to your candelier base using wire or string. Be sure to space out your material evenly and create a balanced design. As you create your DIY candelier, keep in mind that lighting is also an important element. You can purchase a lighting kit that will fit your candelier base, or you can use a simple bulb and cord to light your creation. And be sure to test your lighting before hanging your candelier to ensure that it is safe and functional. Finally, when your candelier is complete, you can hang it in a prominent place in your home, whether it is in your dining room, living room, or bedroom. Your DIY candelier will add a touch of elegance and personal style to your space. In conclusion, creating your own DIY candelier is a fun and rewarding project that can help you add a unique touch to your home decor. With a little creativity and some basic material, you can design a beautiful and functional candelier that is sure to impress your friends and family. So, why not give it a try and see what you can create? So, dear friends, if you like our ideas, click the like button and subscribe our channel.